This video is created by Jagrat Creation. It is on bank accounts. I wish to take care of one sum wherein concept of rebate on bills discounted means discount received in advance and the other name is unexpired discount. This concept I want to explain. Observe the sum on the screen. Popular Bank Limited has the following bills in its advances portfolio as on 31st of March 2017. So, bill number 1, 2 and 3, date of bill, this is the amount of bill, this is the term of bill. The rate of discount is 14.6%. You are required to calculate the rebate on bills discounted and give the necessary journal entries. Now, I am required to find out one rebate on bills discounted or discount received in advance. I am also required to write down the journal entry. This sum is of bit different than the other sums of this type. Here you are not given the details of interest and discount received during the year. Here you are not given the opening balance or rebate on bills discounted that is usually given to the students in other sums of this type. This is a difference in this sum. The another important point is to be given to you. Here you are given the date of the bill and the term. The period for which the bill was drawn is also given. And you are required to find out the due date or the date of maturity for the bill by adding 3 days of grace. That is the another important point. Now, let me start explanation of this sum. So, these are the columns that I have prepared for the purpose of explaining date, due date. So, first of all, I will write down the date of the bill. I will find out the due date. My accounting year ends on. So, from the date of bill to the year end, for this period, whatever the day's discount that I have received, that is the income of the current year. And whatever the period after the current year ends, whatever the days are there for which the discount is received, that discount is identified as discount received in advance or rebate on bills discounted. So it is a very important concept. See, first of all, write down the date of the bill. 12 February 2017. Now I want to find out the due date of it. So these are all the dates of the bill are recorded. I want to find out the due date. So 11th of February is the date on which the bill is drawn. Period of bill is 4 months. So due date will be obtained after adding 3 days of grace. So 14 June 2017 is the due date. Now bill drawn and discounted, and this is the due date. Now this is the date on which the bill is drawn and it is presumed to be the date of discounting of the bill. That's an important point to be understood. Similarly, I want to find out the due date for the second bill. 16th of February, 3 days of grace. 3 months is the period of our bill. 3 days of grace. So, 19th May is the due date. So, I write down the due date over here. It is presumed that the bill was discounted on 16th of February, maturing after 3 months. Now, third bill, drawn on 7th of March, 4 months. 3 days of grace are added. So, this is the due date. Now, this is the date on which the bill is drawn and discounted. This is the date on which due date or the date of maturity occurs for the bill. Now, let me find out the date on which my accounting year ends. The Popular Bank Limited has the following bills of advances as on 31st of March 2017. So, year ends on 31st of March 2017. Now, this period is a period within the year before 31st of March 2017. And this is a period after 31st March. So, this is a period for which whatever the discount is received on 11th of February is said to be a discount received in advance because that discount pertains to a period after 31st of March 2017. That's an important point. So let me find out the days from 11th February to 31st of March and from 31st March to 14th of June. So I want to find out the days for this period. I want to find out the days for this period. Look at it. So 11th February. So how many days of February? 28 minus 11, 17 days of February. March 31 days. So total number of days before 31st of March is 48 days. And after 31st of March, the number of days will be 31st of March to 14th of June. But for the second bill, 16th February to 31st of 16th February. So February has got 28 days minus 16, so 12 days. March 31. So these are the number of days prior to 31st of March. And the number of days after 31st of March will be calculated after some time. Now 7th of March. March has got 31 days. 31 minus 7, so 24 days. Total number of days are 24. So these are the days before 31st of March. And the discount for this period is considered to be the discount for the current year. Now I want to find out the number of days till maturity. And these are the days after the accounting year ends. So accounting year ends on 31st of March. Number of days from 31st of March to 14th of June. April has got 30 days. May 31. June up to 14 June. So 14. So total number of days works out to be 30 plus 31 plus 14. That works out to be 75. Now similarly, 31/3 to 19th of May. 30 days of April. 31 days of 19 days of May, because it is up to 19th of May. So 30 plus 19, total number of days works out to be 49. Now 31st of March to 10th July. So April has got 30 days, May 31, June also 30 days, and July 10 days. So total number of days for this bill, this is a period for which the discount is received during the year, but that pertains to the period after 31st of March. So the discount for this period is considered to be a discount received in advance. It is also identified as unexpired discount, and it is also identified as rebate on bills discount date. Now I want to calculate the total number of days. 48 plus 75 are the total number of days. So 48 plus 75, 123 days. Similarly, I want to calculate total number of days 43 to 49. And similarly, 24 plus 101, these are the total number of days. So I have received a discount for this many days. Out of the discount for this period is the income of the current year, and discount for this period is considered to be a discount received in advance. That's an important point to be understood by the student. Now let me calculate the discount. Now first bill, 50,000. Total number of days are 23. So 23 upon 365. The discount rate is given to you in the sum. The rate of discount is 14.6%. So 14.6 divided by 100. So total discount received is 2,460. So 50,000, 123 upon 365, 14.6 divided by 100. This is the total discount. Out of that, how much discount is received in advance? This period discount is received in advance. So 75 upon 365 into 14.6 upon 100. This is the discount received in advance. So this is the total discount. This is the discount received in advance. So my income for the current year will be 2,460 minus 1,500. This is my income for the current year. Now second bill, that's of 60,000. Total discount can be calculated for 92 days. So 92 upon 365. The rate of discount is 14.6%. So that works out to be 2,208. Out of that, this period, 49 days discount is considered to be a discount received in advance. So once again, 60,000 into 49 upon 365, 14.6 divided by 100. So this is the discount received in advance. Total discount minus discount received in advance. So 1032 is the income, discount income for the current year. And this is the discount received in advance. Now look at the third bill, same way, 40,000 into 125 upon 365, 6 divided by 100, this is the total discount. Out of that, 101 days discount is received in advance. That works out to be at 14.6%. That works out to be 1,660. So 2,000 minus 1,660 is the discount income for the current year. Now let me find out the total. This is the total discount received. This is the discount received in advance. This is the income for the current year. After calculating all these things, of course I have gone for detailed calculation for explaining purposes. Now I want to write down the journal entry for these transactions and adjustments. Now, journal entries is to be recorded. These are the total bills discounted by me. So, journal entry for that total 1,50,000. So, bills discounted and purchased account debit. Bills discounted and purchased account debit. So, these are the claims. Right to recover the amount is purchased, so it's an asset. So, bills discounted and purchased account debit 1,50,000. Now, this is the total interest and discount received. That's an income to discount account credit 6,668. 2. Customers' accounts are credited. So, bills are discounted, discount is deducted, and the balance amount is credited to the customer's account. So, customers' accounts are credited with the difference. So, 1,50,000 minus 668 is deducted. So, 1,43,332 is credited to the various customers' account. Means 3 customers' account. So, bills discounted and purchased account debit, right to receive is 1,50,000. I have given customers 1,43,332 as the credit, and this is my discount income. So this is my total discount income. Out of this total discount income, this is the discount 4,292 is the discount received in advance. So this income is the income of the next year. It is not the income of the current year. So I am required to remove this 4,292 from this discount income. So next entry that I will record, discount account debit to rebate on bills discounted account credit or discount received in advance account credit. This is how entries are to be recorded. Now this is the narration being on discount transfer to rebate on bills discounted account. So this is how this sum gets solved. Just observe the sum on the screen. It's very important. Being bills discounted not 15,000 but it is 1,50,000. It's an error. I'm sorry for that. Anyway, I have tried to explain you this sum in detail. I feel that you followed all these things. Thanks to all.